What's up, guys? Today we're gonna see how to fix Windows SSD issues where you can't find the disk when installing it. So let's go ahead and create a Windows 10 or 11 USB and let's boot the computer from it. We'll give it a few seconds to load. Alright, so we're at the main installation screen. You can see I'm using the keyboard here because Windows did not detect my mouse at this point, and that is normal. Sometimes it does happen. So I will be using the tab, space, enter, and arrow keys to continue. You can see I just hit tab and now I hit arrow down to do custom, and there we go. We can't find any disk. So let's go to drivers, browse, and here you can see on the USB I have this drivers folder along with this VMD driver. I'm gonna choose the first option, and I will provide all of these below so you can look at the description to download this driver, and we'll give it some time to run. And there we go, problem solved. You can see after using the drivers it detected all of the disks, and now we can go ahead and delete pretty much every disk and proceed with a brand new Windows 10 installation. If this were to be a Windows 11, it would be the same procedure. And once that's done, now we just wait, and that's it. Pretty simple. I'll leave the drivers down below. I have like 3 different folders with drivers. I always try the VMD first, which I believe is the Intel Optane drivers, and then I have a few other ones. In some specific cases you might have to download the drivers from the manufacturer, but from my testing, usually 99% of the times with the VMD drivers you will be able to get past that screen, given that your SSD is indeed working. So you can always buy an external connector to test it on another computer before the installation if that's what you want to do. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.